So for exercise, find the value or values of x for which the given function nasa maximum or a minimum value. So for number 1, y equals to 8x cubed minus 9x squared plus 1. So we'll get its first derivative. So y prime is equals to 24x squared minus 18x. So we'll equate it to 0. So we'll factor 6x. So the remaining will be 4x minus 3. So we'll equate to 0 to find its critical value. So 6x equals to 0. So x equals to 0. Then 4x minus 3 equals to 0. Then x is equals to 3/4. So after this one, we will have a number line representing this critical point. So this is 0. And also this is 3/4. So we will pick a number by this one. So we'll pick uh, at x equals to -1, then at x equals to 1/2, and at x equals to 1. Then we'll substitute the value of our first derivative. So we'll have, so this one, 24x squared minus 18x. So 24x squared minus 18x. So at x equals to -1, at x equals to 1/2, and at x equals to +1. So we have 24 multiplied by -1 squared minus 18 multiplied by -1. And then we'll have 24 multiplied by 1/2 squared minus 18 multiplied by 1/2. And then we'll have 24 multiplied by 1 squared minus 18 multiplied by 1. So by using calculator, we will calculate. So 24 multiplied by -1 squared minus 18 multiplied by -1 equals to +42. So for 1/2, so 24 multiplied by 1/2 squared minus 18 multiplied by 1/2 is just equals to -3. So for +1, we have +6. So let's graph this. So for positive, so this is the value for positive. So positive, and then this is also positive. And the only thing this is negative is in the middle, right? So positive, positive, and then negative. And then we will find the maximum and minimum value by this one. So from positive, we will going down to negative. So we'll have from goes to uh, positive, going down to negative, right? And then from negative going up to the positive. So from negative going up to positive, right? So this means that this value here is what we call maximum, and this value here what we call is minimum. So maximum for its critical points, and for this one minimum. So the uh, x, so at maximum, so x equals, to 0. and at minimum x equals to 3/4. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Maximum 0 and minimum 3/4. So maximum 0 and minimum 3/4. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.